Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make bird DIYs in Shabby Chic and pink color. So let's move on with DIY number 1, and this is the metallic bird that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to decorate this and make it pretty. So first to start, I'm just painting with white chalk paint and I let it dry. Now I took this pink chalk paint and I painted it and I let it dry. After it is dried, I'm just taking this beautiful pink patterned tissue paper and I'm taking a little bit of Mod Podge and I'm spreading that with the paintbrush all over it, and I'm placing this tissue paper and I just removed the excess paper all over it, and I painted one more coat of Mod Podge on top of it and I let it dry. While that's drying, let's work on this beautiful pedestal, and this is already painted white for I used for another project, so I'm going to use this again. And I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue on top of this pedestal with some Spanish moss, and I also stuck one of this pink satin ribbon with a pearl on top of the bow, and this calls it done. This is such a beautiful spring and shabby chic bird DIYs, and I love this whole DIY, guys. Please let me know your thoughts on this. I think this is my favorite today. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this Bless This Nest sign, and I used for another DIY where I stuck some of this floral moss in the base. Now I'm going to paint this and the border of this wooden part with this pink chalk paint, and I'm going to mix a little bit of water. I want to get like a thin coat of this pink color, and I'm just going to cover it 1 or 2 coats to get like a faint pink, and I'm going to let it dry. And once that is drying, I'm going to work on this wooden eggs that I got during Easter, and I'm going to take like 3 eggs and I'm going to paint this eggs in this paint, and I'm going to let those dry. While that's drying, let's take one of this wooden birdie garland. I'm going to take 1 birdie from there, and I just placed a little bit of I think what's it called, spackling to cover the hole, and I'm just taking this pink paint again and I'm generously painting all over it. And I took one of this shabby chic vintage looking stock paper, and I just want to cut according to the size of the bird. So first I applied some of the glue stick and I stuck this, and I removed the excess paper by sanding down the corners. That gives like a nice clean edges. That technique, I just love it. So I kept that aside. Now I'm taking some of this straw and I just created a tiny nest. On top of it, I just stuck some of this Spanish moss to give like a nice bird nest, and I'm going to stick all these 3 pink colored eggs on top of it using hot glue, and I'm sticking that in one corner of the sign just like so. Now I also wanted to give some dainty flowers on this floral moss to give like a nice garden effect there. So I just got some of this pink and white flowers. I'm just taking a little bit of hot glue and sticking those into this nice garden for these birdies. So after this is stuck, I'm also going to stick this beautiful birdie on top with the pink bow in one corner, and also stuck one of the pearl to finish the look. Because it's shabby chic, it has to have pearls and pink. So this is the one of the beautiful Bless This Nest DIY, and I'm very much happy how it turned out. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this galvanized birdhouse, and this is found in the garden section of Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint this birdhouse with the same pink chalk paint, and I gave like 2 to 3 coats to get like nice coverage. And I'm also painting the inner part so it doesn't show the metallic part when I am actually displaying it. So this is one of the cute napkin which has got like roses all over it, and I cut down all the roses from the napkin and I'm arranging where these roses should go. And now I'm happy with the arrangement. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this actually generous amount of Mod Podge, and I'm brushing with this paintbrush, and I'm generously applying single ply. I removed the back plies. I think it's got like 2 to 3 plies. I just took 1 ply and I'm generously applying Mod Podge on top of it to secure the design. And also it looks like as though it came with those designs. I'm just loving this beautiful roses and this pink background. This turned pretty already, so I'm going to now paint some of these birds that I got from Dollar Tree. They come 2 in a pack. Now I'm going to paint one with white and one with the pink color. So the white will go for another DIY. I'm also going to paint pink for this DIY, and this is one of the cute flower pot that I got from Dollar Tree recently, and I'm just distressing it with this white chalk paint, and this is how it looks. Now I'm taking a little bit of the styrofoam from packaging and I just stuck it with hot glue to the base, and I'm just covering that with some of the Spanish moss on top of it. And I'm going to insert this birdhouse on exactly where the styrofoam is. So this is how it's going to go into this flower pot, just like that. See how pretty this is. And I just put one of this pink painted birdie onto the base of the flower pot, and I also created one of this cute bow in a sage green color to match the designs all over, and I stuck one of the feather inside the birdhouse, and how beautifully the bird is enjoying near her birdhouse. And I love this beautiful Shabby Chic birdhouse. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts on this. So let's move on to DIY number 5 of bird series. So this is one of the cute sign that I got during Valentine's time, and I'm going to use that as base for the bird's cloche. We are going to make bird's cloche here, and I'm going to paint the same pink paint, and I'm not going to cover so much in the center because that's where all the arrangement will come. So I just covered the borders with like 2 layers, and I'm also covering the paint with this one of this white bowl, and that'll go as a base for this plate to give like a nice riser for this cloche. And I'm also taking one of this birdie and I painted with white chalk paint. I gave like 2 coats to get like nice coverage, and I'm also taking some of this antiquing wax and I'm actually highlighting the bird's feathers and her beautiful face all over. And see how beautiful this bird turned out. And I'm also taking one of this cloche, and I took the plastic parts from the top, and I'm taking generous amount of hot glue to the base of the bowl, just like that. And I'm going to stick this plate on top of it, or this round sign on top of it, to give like a nice riser effect there. And I'm going to take some of this Spanish moss and I'm going to generously arrange, and I'm going to put this beautiful painted bird in the center with some florals and purple berries. And I also got some of this pink and lavender shea ribbons, and I made a cute bow and I attached on top of the cloche with one wood flower to finish the look. And this is such a cute bird cloche. I wanted to make bird cloche from a long time, and since this is the bird themed DIYs, I thought this would be a nice opportunity to display a cute bird cloche with a bird inside. And look how cute this bird turned out, and she's enjoying her space in a beautiful and peaceful nature. I'm very happy with the end result, you guys, so please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5 For this DIY, I'm going to paint one of this shampoo bottle. This has got like nice pearly white. So I thought like I should include this for one of the bird DIYs. I painted the pink chalk paint, sorry, and I let it dry. After it is dried, I'm going to use some of this bird stamping stickers, and I'm using the stamping ink. This I got from Michael's, I believe, and I'm just using generous amount of the stickers, and I'm just removing the excess borders because I don't want any other design to be printed except the bird. See how cute that print turned out. And I'm going to take some of this other bird designs and some florals and some verbiage to actually decorate this whole bottle, and I'll show how this turned out in a second. I'm also taking some of this white lace, actually it's beige cotton lace ribbon. I just am knotting 1 or 2 knots around the mouth of the bottle, and I inserted some of this beautiful floral pick that I got from Dollar Tree recently. And I love this beautiful pink color flowers with all the eucalyptus and baby's breath all together in one bouquet, and I just inserted that to finish the look. Isn't that pretty? How beautiful this is. I just love it. Please let me know your thoughts on this as well. Let's move on to DIY number 6, and this is one of the cute wooden bird that I got from Dollar Tree with florals in the center of her wing. So I'm going to paint the same pink chalk paint onto this wooden surface, and I let it dry, and I'm also going to decorate with some of these ribbons. I also painted black for her eyes and her beak in white paint, and I collected some of these ribbons and created like a messy bow with a pearl in the center and some greenery and florals to the base of this bird to finish the look. And this is one of the cute birdie to add onto the collection today. I love it. Please let me know your thoughts on this. So let's move on to DIY number 7. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this birdie, and I'm going to paint with white chalk paint, and it took like a couple of coats to get like nice coverage, and I'm going to let it dry. While the paint is drying, I got one of these feathers, and I took one of the pink feather, and this is one of the bird bath that I use for another project. It's actually painted in the same pink and white in the center and the pink all over it. And I took one of this feather and I stuck in one corner with hot glue, and now I'm sticking this white painted bird on top of it, and some of the floral and greenery with the pearl in the center of the flower. And also I created a pink bow and attached one of the pearl to finish the look. And this is one of the cute bird bath in a shabby chic and pink, and I love this design, and I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. So let's move on to DIY number 8. I promise this is the final DIY, and this is also a quick hack, and I use this bird design for another DIY, and I'm going to repurpose and give like a new look to it. And this black bird, I painted all white chalk paint all over it, and I also gave like a distress to the look to this whole of this wooden cube. And I also dry brushed with pink chalk paint on top of this white birdie. I used the leftover floral tissue paper from the previous project and decoupaged with Mod Podge on top of the cube. And I also distressed the birdie with antique wax, and I decorated the base with some florals and some greenery and a pink rose to finish the look. And this is one of the cute birdie to add to the collection here. And these are all some of the cute DIYs that I wanted to share with you all today, and I wanted to keep it in pink and shabby chic. I wanted to keep it shabby chic as well, and also to bring us the main theme in my mind. And I love each and every one of these DIYs, and I'm very happy with all the collection that it turned out today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you like some of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And for those who are already there, I'm very much happy and thankful and grateful for the kindest and sweetest comments that you're all giving me in the comment section. It's actually gave me a lot of motivation. Thank you, and thank you so much, you guys. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.